Look, I know he became a wannabe dictator hell-bent on destroying his opposition, but, like, did he start out that way? Like, we know that his family had money and he came from money, but what transpired in between? Was there anything that was good that became bad? Did anything make him the way that he is? I would just really love to know. I'm, um, I'm talking about Coriolanus Snow. Who did you think I was talking about? And it would appear that I really, really like talking about Coriolanus Snow because clocking in at 5 hours, 36 minutes, and 47 seconds, my YouTube video on the Ballads of Songbirds and Snakes, the Hunger Games prequel from Coriolanus Snow's perspective, is now on my YouTube channel. And I really, really like this video, and I hope that you might also like it. And I'm a little nervous because the ones that you like are the worst, because if they do bad, it makes you sad. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go watch 9 movies this week so that I can make a video this weekend and have it ready to go by Halloween.